Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, in the previous session we were learning about demonstratives, right? We have learned the 4 demonstratives, that is this, that, these and those. We have also learnt where and how to use these demonstratives, right? And along with that, we have also solved exercise A and B from our textbook. Today we are going to solve the next exercise, that is exercise C. So children, I want all of you to open your grammar textbook to page number 29. I hope all are ready. Okay, exercise C. Keep your finger on the book and repeat the question after me. Complete the story with this, that, these or those. Okay, here they have given you a story and along with that they have also given you pictures. Okay, now see the first sentence here. Dash is a map to a gold chest. So you can see the man is having a map in his hand. Singular and near. That is why they have used the demonstrative this here. This is a map to a gold chest. The second one. Dash is a boat we can see. Now singular and far. Okay, see the boat, it is only one and far. So we use the demonstrative that. T-H-A-T. That is a boat we can see. Next, dash are spades. We can dig the ground with them. See here. These are called as spades. Here, many, more than one. And near. So, these. T-H-E-S-E. These. Okay, now next. Dash is treasure island. Okay, see they are showing, still they have to reach the island. From far they are showing island is only one. So that, singular and one, we write that. T-H-A-T, that. Sorry, singular and far, we write that. That is treasure island. Next, fifth one. Dash are the coconut trees on the map. Okay, see they are showing map they have in their hand, but the man is showing, see that those are the coconut trees that were in the map. He is showing it live. Okay, so if they are more than one, that is plural and far, then we use the demonstrative those. Those are the coconut trees on the map. Next, look, dash is the gold chest. See, gold chest and near. Okay, so this, T-H-I-S, this is the gold chest. We found it. Okay, so children, this is the story. Now children, I am going to give you a few sentences for homework. Okay, I will explain how to write it. You have to write those sentences in your notebook for homework. Okay, now here is the homework. Question number 1. Write the plural form of these sentences. Okay, here I have given you the sentences. Okay, singular form is given. You have to write the plural form. I will just explain. You pay attention. Okay, children. See the first one. This is a train. Okay, now how will you write the plural form? See, the plural of this is these. So, these. T-H-E-S-E. These. The plural of ease is are. A-R-E-R. Articles a and an we only use for singulars, so no need to write anything here. And what is the plural of train? It is trains. Many, then we write trains. Trains, trains, and put a full stop. So the singular is this is a train and plural is these are trains. Okay. Second one, that is a clock. What is the plural of that? Plural of that is those. 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 Plural of is are. A is used only for singulars, right? A and an. Only for singular nouns we are using. So we don't write anything in place of A. And the plural of clock is clocks. 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 Put a full stop. Next, that is a doll. The plural of that is those. 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 Plural of is are. And doll is dolls. So here those are dolls. The next example. This is a chair. Now here the plural of this is these. 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 Is are. And chair, chairs. Next, that is a book. So here plural of that is those. Is, plural of is are. And book is books. BOOKS, books. Next, this is a mango. The plural of this is these. These. Is are. Plural of is are. And mango. Mango becomes mangoes ending with O. So I have to add ES to make it plurals. These singular and plurals rules we have already learnt, children. 2 rules, adding S and ES. In the above examples we were adding only S. But now ending with O. So we add ES. MANGOES. Mangoes. Okay. Next. That is a bench. Now the plural of that is those. The plural of is are. And bench ending with CH. So if the noun ends with CH, we add ES to make plural. So we add ES here. BENCHES. Benches. Next, this is a fox. The plural of this is these. The plural of is are. And fox is foxes ending with X. We add ES to make plural. So FOXES. Foxes. Next, that is a brush. The plural of that is those. Plural of is are. And brush, it is brushes ending with SH. So we add ES. BRUSHES. Brushes. Put a full stop. Next, this is a bus. The plural of this is these. Plural of is are. And plural of bus is buses ending with S. So we add ES to make plurals. BUSES. Buses. Put a full stop. Okay, children, these are the examples. Today you are going to solve these examples in your notebook for homework. Is it clear, children? This is all for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.